Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play It's a Man's World on guitar. This iconic song, originally by James Brown, is a soulful classic. We will break down the essential chords and techniques to help you capture its unique feel. You will learn the chord progression, a suitable strumming pattern, and ways to add your own expressive touches. Get ready to bring this timeless tune to life on your instrument. The heart of this song lies in its sophisticated chord progression. Begin with C minor 7, then transition to F7. Next, move to B flat major 7, followed by E flat major 7. And a flat major 7 leads into a D7 flat 9, and finally, a G7 flat 9. This sequence then resolves back to C minor 7, creating that signature soulful jazz sound. Practice these changes slowly for accuracy. To truly capture the song's essence, a deliberate and soulful rhythm is key. Try a gentle strumming pattern, focusing on a down-down-up-up-down motion. Emphasize the bass notes on the first and third beats to provide a solid foundation. Maintain a relaxed feel, allowing the chords to ring out. A clean guitar tone with just a touch of reverb will enhance the overall warmth and depth of your sound. Once you have the chord progression and rhythm down, you can add expressive embellishments. Try incorporating arpeggios over the chords to add melodic interest. Subtle vibrato on sustained notes will enhance their emotional impact. Experiment with the C minor pentatonic scale for fills and lead lines. Gentle hammer-ons and pull-offs can also add a touch of fluidity and soul to your playing, making the song truly your own.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.